Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing how to install Ubuntu 20.04 long-term support version desktop specifically. So let's download the Ubuntu 20.04 from the website. You can just Google it, or you can go to the ubuntu.com/download, and I have already downloaded the ISO file. For testing purpose, I am doing the installation in virtual machine. In bare metal also the installation procedure is same. So just create the virtual machine options. Let's choose Linux and Ubuntu 64-bit. I'm gonna give a name. Ubuntu 20.04 is fine. Go with the next default option. 2 gigs of RAM is fine. NAT is fine. Go with the default option. Create a new virtual disk. Store virtual disk as single file. 20 gigs is fine. Name is fine. Customize hardware. Here we can remove unwanted stuff. For example, printer I don't need. Okay, finish it. Now let's see. Power on the device. It's not getting. Let's check the settings again. I believe I didn't map the ISO image file. Yeah, fine. Just go to downloads and map the ISO image file and send Ctrl+Alt+Delete again. Again, if it's not responding, let's check it again. I think it's not connected in this case. No, just go to settings again and make sure it's connected. Yeah, that was the problem. Click on OK and send Ctrl+Alt+Delete again. This time it's booting. Great. So let's wait for the initial boot. It's checking the disk. 3% complete, 6% complete. Fine. It's a bit lengthy process depending on your processor and the RAM that you have allocated. For example, if you are installing in bare metal, if you have 4 gigs RAM, it will be faster compared to the installation that I'm showing now. So it's almost completed checking the disks. Great. Let it start the installation process. Okay, did it freeze? I don't think so. No, it didn't freeze. You have to be patient at this stage because we cannot do anything. Now we have something on the screen. We have the Ubuntu logo. Okay, now we have option to try the Ubuntu, but we are going to install Ubuntu directly. Choose English US, and you can change the keyboard layout if you are using another layout. And here you have normal installation and minimal installation. If you want only browser and basic utility, you can go with minimal installation. Otherwise, you just click on the normal installation and you can choose download updates while installing Ubuntu. So it will install the latest softwares available. And you can also install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware and additional media formats. But in my case, I don't need it. especially since I'm using it for testing and it's in the virtual machine. So that's fine, just continue. Okay, so it's trying to install the software. And it's trying to, okay, it's asking for erasing the disk. If you want to use LVM for increasing the size of the disk later, you can go with LVM. And also you can go to the custom partition option if you want. You can create a new partition table, but I don't want to create a custom partition table. So if you want to customize, you can go with the custom options. Okay, now I'm going with the default option, erase disk and install Ubuntu. Click on install now. Click on continue. This is for the confirmation for erasing. So let's see. Let's wait for it to finish it. Dubai is fine. You can change your location accordingly. In default, it will be selected if it has an internet access. Give Shamir. No, you should not give Shamir. You can give your name, or you can choose a name of your choice. I'm going to give username Shamir, and I'm going to give a simple password. And I have chosen to require my password to log in always. I don't want someone to log in without password to my computer or even VM. So it's fine. It started copying the files. It's gonna take a little bit of time. Let's wait for it to finish. It's installing the applications like VLC media player, media application, music players. So if you had gone with the minimal installation, these softwares, it will not be installed. And you can see the Firefox web browser is being installed. Thunderbird is being installed, and Office programs like Writer, Calculator, like Excel, and customization options like language assistive technologies, appearance. So it's installing the most important softwares for us to operate the computer. But still, if you're going with the minimal installation, that will be limited to browsers and the basic utilities only. But we have chosen normal installation. That's why it has taken this much time. So it's installing all the packages, updating the packages, and installing language packs. We are almost finished in the installation phase. Actually, I have made this video a little faster because these steps are not important. After that finished, click on restart now, and the computer will be restarted. So we are back to the user interface. We have logged into the Ubuntu desktop, and I'm not going to go to the configuration steps that we will discuss in another video. Now everything is working. So just let me check the IP address for my future videos. So I hope this video was helpful, and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification, hit like if the video was helpful. Take care, goodbye.